Here's a 2014 Fiat 500L. Generous seating for 5 with plenty of room to get comfy. This Italian hatchback is the perfect good time car. Features include Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, Bluetooth, leather steering wheel, multi-level load floor, manual tilting steering column, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and manual transmission. Taken as a whole, the 500L makes a convincing cut-rate Mini Countryman or an Italian accented PT Cruiser. Can practicality be sexy? Fiat, retro Italian chic with exciting modern twists. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.